Chinese cuisine is the general term for dishes from various regions of China. It is delicious and unique. In the next 10 episodes, Happy Cooking Channel is going to produce 10 videos about nutritious, delicious, but easy to learn Chinese food. If you also like amazing Chinese food, please follow my channel. You can make and enjoy Chinese food at home easily, happily, and healthily. Chinese cuisine is the crystallization of thousands of years' development of Chinese cooking. It enjoys a high reputation in the world. Chinese cooking is one of the most important components of Chinese culture. A dish always looks good, smells good, tastes good, and a nutritious diet is regarded as the key to good health. Various condiments and spices are used in Chinese cooking, such as ginger, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, cooking wine, cornstarch, dried chili, Chinese red pepper, star anise, cumin, fennel, bay leaf, cinnamon, etc. With all these condiments and spices, we can easily make various Chinese dishes, such as stir-fried rice noodles, Pao Chicken, sweet and sour pork, spring rolls, Yangchow Fried Rice, Chow Mein, Po Tofu, fried shrimps with cashew nuts, garlic pork, and fried egg with leek, and so on. They are nutritious and easy to make. I hope you can learn how to make healthy Chinese food, and I hope every one of you can enjoy Chinese food. Thanks for your time with us. See you next time.